Hey, Divine One, so excited that you found this today. I'm going to be doing a quick inspired message for you and your inner child. All you have to do is take a big deep breath with me in through your nose, out through your mouth, and ask if this message is for you. If it is, keep listening. Today, I'm just going to flip to a random page in the Inner Child Oracle Card Guidebook and read whatever blurb pops up for you. Okay, here we go. Finding your own inner authority isn't about conforming or rebelling. It's about finding the truth within you, no matter what others think, no matter what others are doing, no matter what people say. It's about finding your own natural rhythm and way in life and owning it. When we rebel against or become who others want us to be, we aren't operating from true inner authority, but rather as a reaction to others. It's time to find your own center line and act from there. Ooh, powerful message. I hope this resonates with you, Divine One. Let me know. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.